Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello. Today we will introduce some wild animals. Wild animals live in a forest. This is lion. Lion, lion. It is called king of the forest. This is an elephant. Elephant, elephant. This is a tiger. Tiger, tiger. This is leopard. Leopard, leopard. This is wolf. WOLF, wolf. This is cheetah. CHEETAH, cheetah. It is the fastest running animal. This is hyena. HYENA, hyena. This is zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. This is giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. It is the tallest animal. This is bear. BEAR, bear. This is monkey. MONKEY, monkey. This is gorilla. GORILLA, gorilla. This is kangaroo. KANGAROO, kangaroo. This is jackal. JACKLE, jackal. This is rhinoceros. RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. This is hippopotamus. HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. This is mongoose. MONGOOSE, mongoose. This is snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. This is panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. This is a boar. B-O-A-R. Boar. This is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. This is koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. This is crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.